Cris English Cafe. Hello, and welcome back to Cris English Cafe, your cozy place to learn English through real conversations and simple life moments. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode if you enjoy learning English in a calm and natural way. I'm Cris.
Hi, I'm Lena. I love summer, the sunshine, and especially the beach.
Then today's topic is perfect for you. Today, we're talking about summer days and beach moments. Let me ask you something simple. What comes to your mind when you hear the word summer?
Warm air, bright sunlight, and a feeling of freedom. Like time moves a little slower and you don't feel rushed.
Yes, summer has a different rhythm. People wake up later, stay outside longer, and everything feels lighter.
And when you go to the beach, that feeling becomes even stronger. The sound of the waves, the smell of the ocean, and the warm sand under your feet.
It's not just a place, it's a full experience. Let's learn a word. Wave means the moving water in the sea.
The waves are calm today.
Repeat. Wave. Do you prefer a quiet beach or a busy one?
A quiet beach. I like places where you can hear the ocean clearly and just relax.
That kind of place feels peaceful.
You can sit down, look at the horizon, and just think.
The horizon is the line where the sky meets the sea. Yes, and it always looks so far away, like there's no end. Summer is also about small moments, not big events, but simple experiences.
Like eating something cold on a hot day, or drinking fresh juice while sitting under the sun.
Or walking along the beach without shoes.
Yes, and then your feet get covered in sand.
That's part of the experience. Barefoot means without shoes.
I like walking barefoot on the beach.
Repeat, barefoot. Do you think summer changes people's mood?
Yes, people feel happier, more relaxed, and more open.
Maybe it's the sunlight, or maybe it's the feeling of having more time.
Summer feels like a break, even if you're still working.
Yes, it gives your mind space to breathe. Relaxed means calm and not stressed.
I feel relaxed at the beach.
Repeat, relaxed. Let me share a moment. One summer, I went to the beach early in the morning. There were almost no people, just the sound of the waves and a soft breeze.
That sounds very peaceful.
I sat there doing nothing, just watching the ocean and feeling the moment. And somehow, it felt enough.
That's what I love about the beach. You don't need to do much to feel something special.
Maybe summer teaches us something simple. We don't always need more. Sometimes we just need to slow down. Let's practice together. I like summer.
I enjoy going to the beach.
The ocean makes me feel calm. What about sunset? Do you like watching the sunset at the beach?
Yes, it's my favorite moment. The colors, the quiet feeling. It feels like the day is slowly ending.
Sunset has a peaceful energy. Sunset means the time when the sun goes down.
We watched the sunset together.
Repeat, sunset. So maybe summer is not just a season. Maybe it's a feeling of warmth, freedom, and simple happiness.
And the beach is where that feeling becomes real.
Now it's your turn. What do you like to do in summer? Do you enjoy the beach or something else?
Write your answer in the comments. Even a simple sentence is perfect.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Cris English Cafe.
so we can keep learning English together.
This is Chris.
And this is Lena.
See you in the next episode.